Dear students, in this video I am going to explain how binary search will work. This is a given list and this is the search element. That means we have to search for this 60 in this list. And remember one thing, in order to apply the binary search technique, the list must be in the sorting order. Okay, the list must be in the sorting order. Then only you can apply the binary search technique. But for a linear search, the sorting order of the list is not required. And we store all these numbers in an array, and you know that array indexing starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on, right? 8. These are all array indexes. Okay. Now start the process. Step 1. Step 1. Step 1 is considering the first index as low and last index as high. First index as low and last index as high. That means low is equal to 0 and high is equal to, what is high? High is equal to 8. Now you have to calculate the middle value, right? So mid is equal to low plus high by 2. Low plus high by 2. That is equal to 0 plus 8 by 2 and you will get 4. So now this is mid. 4 is the mid. That means 30 is the middle element. Now you have to compare this middle element with the search element. If both are equal, well and fine, your search is successful. Then you can say that your search element is present at position 4. At position 4. But unfortunately, this 30 and 60 are not equal. So you can strike off this 30. Now with common sense, we have to tell where this 60 will present. Will it present to the left of 30 or to the right of 30? Since our list is in the sorting order, definitely I can say that the 60 will be to the right of 30 only, right? Right of 30. That means there is no chance that 60 will present in the left list. In the left list. That means if there is any chance of having 60 in the list, it may be to the right of 30 only. To the right of 30 only. So this will be your new list now. For the step 2, this will be your new list. You have already removed 30 and you have removed the left list of 30 and now this will be our new list for this step 2. Now for this new list, the high will be 8 itself. There is no change in the high, but this 5 will become low. This 5 has to become low, right? So how will you get low value as 5? Very simple. In the program, you will just write low is equal to mid plus 1. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Okay. Now see here, this is a new list. In this new list, there are only 4 numbers. Now the low value is 5, high value is equal to 8. So just write all those things here. Step 2, low is equal to 5, high is equal to 8. Low is equal to 5, high is equal to 8. So from this you calculate the mid. Mid is equal to low plus high by 2. That is equal to 5 plus 8 by 2. You will get 6.5. Don't consider this fractional part. Just take only this 6. That means now 6 is our middle value. That means 53 is our middle value. Now the next step is comparison. Comparing this middle value with 60. Now are they equal? Is 53 equal to 60? No. So you can erase this one. So already this list is deleted. Right? So 53 is also removed from the list now. Now we have to decide where this 60 will fall. Will it be left to the 53 or right side of 53? So 60 is clearly greater than 53. So it may come on the right side of 53. So you can actually ignore this 43 also. Now this is a new list. This is the new list. Now for the new list, high will be same. High will be 8 itself and this 7 will become low. This 7 will become low. Now see here, this is a new list. only two numbers are there in this new list, and low value will be 7, high value will be 8. So for step 3, low is equal to 7, high is equal to 8. Now calculate the mid. You will get 7.5 something. Just ignore this fractional part. Consider this as 7. That means now this 7 is your mid. 7 is our mid. That means 60 is our middle value. Now we have to compare this middle value with the search element. Now both are equal, right? So both are equal. That means your search is successful. Then you have to print your search element is found at position, right? Here position is nothing but your middle value, mid value is 7. So in the program you have to print the middle value. Okay. This is how binary search technique will work. Okay. And for suppose if search element is not 60, if it is 65, then what will happen is at some point low value will cross the high value. Low value will cross the high value. So in that case, you have to stop the process and you have to conclude that search element is not found in the list. So clearly in the program you can see this condition. Okay.